In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create topical maps with ChatGPT. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy and approachable for anyone looking to harness the power of ChatGPT for topical map creation. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT, the AI language model developed by OpenAI. Click on the official ChatGPT website from the search results to get started. This site is your gateway to accessing the powerful language capabilities of ChatGPT. After entering the website, you'll be greeted with a page where you can interact with ChatGPT. Before proceeding, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make the next steps much smoother. Once you're ready, it's time to type your first prompt. Think of this prompt as a question or a topic you want to explore with ChatGPT. This could be anything related to the topical map you're aiming to create. For instance, if you're focusing on climate change, your prompt might be, "Explain the main causes of climate change." With your prompt ready, navigate to the Submit button and click it to send your prompt to ChatGPT. Within moments, ChatGPT will generate a response, providing you with detailed information based on your query. This is where the real magic happens. ChatGPT processes your request and uses its vast database of information to present you with insightful answers. Once you've received the response, you may find it beneficial to delve deeper or explore related topics. To do this, click on the search bar again and type another prompt. Perhaps you want to address specific aspects or related subtopics of your original query. Feel free to get creative and explore different angles. After typing your new prompt, click Submit. As before, ChatGPT will analyze the input and give you another round of detailed responses. Remember, this tool can handle extensive and complex queries, so don't hesitate to dive into specifics. If you need to repeat this process with additional prompts or refine your queries for more targeted results, you can do so as many times as needed. Simply click on the search bar, type a new prompt, and submit. ChatGPT is designed to provide consistent and reliable results, making it a valuable tool for generating comprehensive content for your topical maps. By utilizing these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an informative and visually engaging topical map with the help of ChatGPT. This platform's ability to process and present vast amounts of information makes it an invaluable asset for researchers, educators, and content creators alike. Now, it's your turn to give it a try and explore the world of topical maps powered by AI.